Hi, this is Latilia with Second Chance University's HVAC Academy. I am going to be showing you guys how to use a motor puller and what you need it for. This one is going to be to pull the motor from a fan blower. It came out of the air handler. I've taken it out for the purpose of time conservation, and I have it out of the casing or the housing, and it's here. So the first thing you do when you're taking out the motor is take a loose your set screw. And if it's tight, you can use pliers or a wrench or a channel lock to get that loose. Okay, once we get that out, it should slide up, but sometimes due to rust and everything else, it's not going to break free as easily. So when that happens, we have to use our motor puller. And that just, there's a little center hole, and that's going to slide down over the top. Once that's down over the top, you lock it in over your motor. Okay, and then we're going to use our channel locks to make sure it's really tight. That's what we don't want to happen, is for it to slide off. Let me see. I think I can maneuver with the pliers better, so I'm going to use the pliers. Alright, so once that's on there really good, then we're going to get a grip, turn this down. And this is just moving all the way down until it hits the shaft and starts to push it through. Alright, so sometimes it still won't come off, so we're going to give it a little shave with the sandpaper. Get a lubrication with the WD-40. And that's how you use a motor puller.